Oh, powerful, powerful, powerful.
I think people should watch the series for so many reasons. It's crazy. It's like everything is packed into one story. But that's the beauty of telling a story about people who lived, is that life is full of so much dynamicism that is something for everybody. There's faith and family at the heart of it, but there's also a lot of fight and a lot of really cool action sequences there for it that all of us as actors go through. So I think, you come if you want to be entertained. You come if you want to take away something that is exciting, new, fresh, that you'll be talking to your friends about.
And I just want to say also very quickly, one of the things I'm most proud of is the young black cast in this show. We have big names who are known, but Lauren Ebanks, who plays Jenny in the show, is here tonight. Justin Hurt Dunkley, who's also just an amazing, amazing actor. I remember seeing him in Mayor of Easttown and just thinking, whoa, who's that? Joaquina Calacango, who's just also wonderful. You don't really get to see her in these 2 episodes, but she's a truly astounding actress. Demi Singleton, Lonnie Chavis, who I directed in a film of my own, and Grantham Coleman. I'm just so proud of them in this work as well. Just wanted to give them a shout out.
Thank you. We are deeply humbled to be here. When I was standing out in the lobby, I was thinking about Bass, and I was thinking about what it would mean to him to be in Washington, D.C., screening a series about his life, and was overcome with emotion. As you'll see, it's a man who overcame unimaginable circumstances to become a federal peace officer in a very interesting time in this country's history during Reconstruction. And, I think that his story is a story of the triumph of the human spirit, and it's a story that we all need in our lives at this moment. So thank you for being here.
Its potency, considering I had grown up wanting to be a cowboy at 6 years old, that image is literally, I have manifested. I mean, I used to picture that as a 6-year-old kid in London, and so, but the fact that I never had the opportunity to see that in relation to what I was seeing in my head, and so when this story came my way, I thought there is no way I leave this planet without this happening. It just felt too important, and I just feel very blessed that I still can't quite believe that we managed it, but here we are.
The sides, I read the script, and I saw a multi-dimensional, multifaceted, complex Black woman on the page. And I saw a loving mother, a courageous mother, a fiercely loyal partner. I saw a woman who believed in dreams at a time in our country, in an existence for Africans in America where dreams seem few and far between. And I said, sign me up.
And in that plantation house is where we shot the card game. And I was struggling. I was suffering, if I'm totally honest. And so in that scene, when I was beating on him and I started saying, you cheated me, as brilliant as Chad is with the writing, that is something that came from my soul. That was not on the page, and I couldn't stop saying it. And I honestly can say that it felt like it came from somewhere beyond me. As I was pounding away and saying those words, and I came away from that scene feeling like I had exorcised something.
And work that I believe in, so the story we were telling and the importance of it. And here I was tasked with filling the shoes of a real woman named Jenny Reeves, Nellie Jenny Reeves. And I realized that the rest of that definition is also with people who also believe in me. And you know, I was right in the middle of what I dreamt about as well, and doing it. And so that was no doubt out of body experience, and I can't put my finger on what scene, you know, that we've journeyed through in telling this tale and being in service of these people who were and still are. So yeah.
This man is a larger-than-life movie star. I am from a rock in the middle of the sea. 2 weeks ago, a brethren of mine from back home texted me a link of an article. The photo at the top of the article was some Rasta man directing this larger-than-life movie star. The voicemail went something like, "Rasta man, this you, man, this is really you? Dread, you don't even understand, Dread." And I had to go back to where I came from mentally, on the rock in the sea, to realize that I was one of a 44 million person diaspora that had never seen that. Yeah, we've seen Bob and we've seen Peter and we've seen Bunny and we've seen all of that. But we've never seen someone like me direct a major motion picture star.
It's crazy. And also to be able to tell the story of a black family, right? I mean, it's a kick-ass Western, which I love and was so excited to do, but to tell the story of a black family and everybody in the room, you know, we was a mixed room, but everybody in the room was like dedicated to telling this story and giving space to these characters, you know, the story of these formerly enslaved parents who are navigating a world as free people and raising children that are like the first generation to grow up without slavery, and having that space to tell those, you know, show those moments. I couldn't ask for a better experience really as a writer, to be able to explore that with these amazing people, and seeing what you bring to the screen afterwards. It's just, I'm blown away every time.